Do you feel like maybe your Google business profile isn't getting the attention it deserves? Are you looking to really maximize your online visibility and generate more profit? Of course you are. Don't worry, I'm here to help. In this video, we'll be going over tips and tricks to really maximize your Google business profile to get the attention it really deserves. So get ready to unlock tremendous opportunities of revenue growth and drive more potential customers to your Google business profile with these 4 simple tips. Let's get started. I'm Chris. Welcome to the Direction SEO channel, where we help companies get found online. The first thing I want to talk about is the importance of capturing attention with your profile. In a crowded digital landscape, it is so important that you stand out. And trust me, just having a Google business profile with some optimizations here and there, it's just not enough. Because the brutal truth is, if you are not optimizing your business profile, you're just leaving cash on the table and you're letting your competition, all those potential leads from you, who could probably be serving them better. Plus, your competitors are likely already using these tactics. So it's time for you to catch up and then show them up. And stay with me to the end, because I'm gonna show you a case study of how there was a business that just implemented these 4 core tactics and they were buried in Google Maps. You couldn't find them. I mean, only if you were standing right in front of the business. So I'll show you this case study at the end. Stay with me. But for now, let's start going over these tips. The first one, your business information being consistent online. And that's everywhere. Your name, address, and phone number. You've probably heard it before, NAP. And you're like, what's NAP? Name, address, and phone number is essential for you to be showing up in Google Maps in top searches. Because if your name, address, and phone number is not consistent, how's Google gonna trust that, hey, you are the business that you say you are, with the same hours that you say you have, and website and phone number? Well, if your competitor has over 100 different places online where they actually have correct information, Google looks at that, their algorithms can trust that that business is where they say they're located, with the hours they say they have, and they can trust showing it to people so that they can go shop at that business or call that business or whatnot. Now, the easiest way to do this is through Direction Local, because our platform automatically corrects your business information and lists you in over 125 different local directories, voice search, and even vehicle navigation systems. Moving on. Tip number 2, craft a compelling business description. This is so important. If somebody is looking at your company and they see your description, it needs to be something that captures their attention and really makes them want to work with you. Here's an example, right, with us for Direction.com. You can click more, but when you search for Direction.com in Google, you'll see that we have a description. And you can make it say whatever you'd like, but I wanted to put something that really represented our company in terms of not just what we offer, but who we are, our core values, and our mission. And now, on to tip number 3. Have great pictures. You can even put videos on your profile. I don't know if you knew that, but Google is even allowing longer form video content on your Google business profile. They really want customers to understand who you are, what you do. And there's so many different types of images and videos that you can even upload to your Google business profile. Again, I'm going to use this as an example. If you click see photos on our business profile, you can really scroll through and see our team. You can see what we do. You can see us at work, not at work, hanging out outside of work. There's all different things you can see. And anytime you go visit someone's profile, you can see all these different images, and you can see his latest, inside, by owner, street view. There's a lot of different photos that you can add to your business profile. For the last tip, number 4, really prioritize customer reviews. This is huge. They should be helpful reviews. Really encourage customers when they leave reviews to leave something helpful. Talk about maybe the products they purchased, the services they purchased, who they worked with. The more detailed those reviews are, number 1, the more real they look. I'm sure you've been to a Google business profile before and seen some reviews that you're like, is that even real? Or if there's somebody just left it 5 stars, that doesn't really say much. It doesn't help anybody. Also, if Google's looking to rank one business higher than the other, and you have the same amount of reviews, someone has better reviews, more in-depth reviews and detailed reviews, who do you think Google's going to want to show at the higher position? Now, for the story I told you to wait to the end for. This is the Drip Bar in Austin, Texas. And they came to us and they said, hey, we're not really getting found. And I was like, okay. So I gave them these 4 tips. They signed up on Direction Local, and you can see it was December here. And this is for the term IV bar near me. And a 5-mile radius in Austin, Texas is pretty competitive. Now, fast forward 6 months later, you can see that they were ranking on average number 5. And this is for IV bar near me, their name, but the term that people would search for if they were looking for an IV bar. And they go from number 5 to #1 on average in a 5-mile radius. This has done wonders for their company. And you can achieve the same success if you follow these 4 tips. Stay tuned for the next video. In this series, I go over even more tips and tricks in further detail on how to further optimize your Google business profile to maximize your return on investment in both time and money. Because at the end of the day, every minute counts and every dollar counts. I understand as a business owner. So it's important to invest now so that in the future, you get those returns and you have this inbound lead generation machine that is working for you just by simply putting in a few minutes and making simple optimizations. I hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit like, hit subscribe, and comment below if you have any questions, if there's anything I didn't cover that you might be curious about, or even talk about your results in the comments below. Did you follow these tips and you saw some awesome results? I'd love to know. For more tips, please subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.